Gandang umaga po sa inyo sa lahat. Ang title po ng kakatayin ko May the Lord find us faithful. Sana hanggang kamatayan, datnan tayo ng Panginoon. Amen. Kala ko ligtas na ako kasi walang mic.
Hindi ka pa rin ligtas, Mi. Ligtas na siya. Ay, oo, siyempre.
God has not given us the spirit of fear, but has strength to obey. With power and sound mind, with love the unfailing kind, oh, be not ashamed of His way. May the Lord find us faithful. Make His word be our banner held high. May the Lord find us faithful. Every day, though we live, though we die. Living or dying, we honor the time. From this wretched life, love and care. A life that is unearned, the only our heart desire, be faithful from how to decree.